Good morning.
No. No, it's not.
So talk to me. Where are you begrudgingly going?
We're going to Big Buddha, which you can drive to, but we're walking.
Don't be like that. So, Big Buddha is him over there, and we're gonna hike it.
Try to. By following a 2-year-old blog that I found online a couple of nights ago. Which
Babe, if people can drive it, surely you can easily walk it.
Yeah, but you would drive it from the other side. We're walking the non-driving.
Okay, you're a good navigator.
I'm just following the kid's blog.
Okay, I'm sure he did a good job at writing this blog.
I guess we'll find out.
Alright.
2 years ago, we've seen how much changes on this island day to day. So there could be a hotel in the way of the road.
That could be.
But we'll see. The worst case scenario is we get lost in the jungle, which I don't see a problem with that.
No, that's fine. You're only in Phuket. Alright, so we don't know where we're going, but we have Adam on the blog, and the guy that wrote the blog actually hiked it with the owner of a hotel just down there. So we'll link it in the description below if you want to hike it, if you're in Phuket and you want to get to the Big Buddha on the mountain. Go for it. Here we go again. The man that attracts all the dogs. Why are you so mad? Why? Alright, so we're going over that hill there. Well,
I've got pretty good intuition and tracking skills. So I've decided I'm not going to use the blog anymore to actually find our way up, because I think personally I can actually get us there without the blog.
yeah.
So the next turn we're going to take is going to be just here. Don't worry about that sign that says Big Buddha. That's nothing to do with it. But we're going up there to get to Big Buddha, but not because there's a sign that told us to do it, just because my tracking skills
Are great.
that way.
Well, basically, this blog was written 9 years ago, and we reckon there might even be a straight, clear road to get to the top. But so far there's a sign. That's good. Good news. Alright, so the signs are still directing us. Apparently this might have been a dirt road, but now it's concrete, so we don't know.
Basically, look, this is the point where the road turns from sort of concrete
To
into
dirt. So this bit.
I don't know, it looks like
So
this
it's
bit,
been
because it bends
concreted.
round.
Well, it's been 9 years on
Yeah.
Phuket. It's a long time.
It is a long time.
Let's do this.
Huh?
Paid in.
Still should have driven.
Alright, so the map says go that way, but the sign says go that way. Which one do we listen for?
Let's map it, fuck it.
Are you sure?
No?
But somebody's done this quite recently.
Up to you. What do you want to do?
I feel like following the sign.
Following the signs. It's kind
Yeah.
of cool, isn't it?
So what if we go up there and we can't actually go past? It's been 9 years. Do you remember he talks about a path that kind of disappears into the jungle?
This is where it disappears, up here.
Okay,
You want to follow the route, the signs?
I think so.
You want to go safe route?
Don't be like that. You almost didn't come to this hike, so shut up.
You, whichever way you walk, I'll follow.
Alright, so we decided to go for the wild route, which doesn't look that wild. Yeah, you told us off enough times. Bye. All right, so we found the wild track.
Yeah.
It looks pretty wild.
It does look pretty wild.
It's
this is why you don't follow signs.
pure jungle.
This is why following signs takes you the boring way.
Okay.
You know, this is the proper way.
Always walk the least walked path. It might take you to some crazy places.
So following signposts takes you the nice safe route. We decided if we're going to do this, we're going to do it properly and we're going to follow a 10-year-old blog. And lo and behold, things haven't changed much in 10 years. They talk about it getting very jungly. It's pretty jungly. They talk about a steep drop. Well, it's not that steep, but I think it gets steeper further up. But yeah, there's a lot of signs down there conflicting, saying to go in different directions. Usually that's because somebody is trying to direct you through their business to get some money out of you. We don't want to do that.
All right, we're a little bit lost here.
What I don't understand is there's a path.
We're looking for a tree, a big tree, which apparently will then turn right and take us to a main path. Right, so we didn't go on the wild path. Oh my god. Scared me. Yeah, basically that wild path turned to really wild and we literally could not get anywhere, so we don't know if we were following it wrong or maybe nature took over. So we've gone the long way now. And it says 4.5 kilometers. We weren't prepared for this kind of length, but we're still gonna smash it.
Alright, so our jungle hike just got not so jungly and now we're walking on a main road, which kind of sucks. If there'd still been that path that we tried to get to in the first place, I think we probably would have been there by now and it would have been a nice little jungle cut through, but now we're road walking. This is a hot face, sexy nostril face. Alright, I've no idea how far it is from here, but I guess we'll see.
Sunrise lasts forever, and it's all
That's good. I'm hungry now.
You didn't want to walk back down?
Hell no.
So we're in a Grab. Hashtag Uber.
Why not?
Alright, so we're back at the resort. We just had breakfast. Now it's time to have a quick shower and then we're going out to work. We'll probably set camp in a cafe and check out some coffee shops, test the food, vlog a bit more, have lots of fun. Malia! Malia!
You can't compete with dark food.
Say good morning! Okay, okay, you did it.
Don't bite. Let go, please. Let go, please. Let go, please.
I was trying to get it in the...
There you go.
Malia, what's this? What's this? Malia? She's 1.5 years. Malia! Peekaboo!
Do you want me to get back to you?
Peekaboo! So I'm not sure we actually spoke about why we're in Phuket. We just finished our escape in the Philippines, so we're taking a break here, and we checked into Movenpick in Phuket, which is a family-friendly hotel. We just wanted somewhere for Malia to be able to hang out, and there's a play area, there's lots of pools, lots of restaurants, and it's just a really chilled atmosphere. So yeah, this is why it's a great place for us. And the next stop is going to be Koh Samui. There's a good quote for you. Be careful who you pretend to be. You might forget who you are. Now, this is a good one. Say what you're working on today?
Working on chocolate review.
Yeah, and then after that?
Get some consumed.
Fully?
Huh?
Fully? Do you need help? I feel like you might not be able to finish that. Did you just dunk it in coffee? Did you just dunk it in coffee?
Good.
Wow. So what's your plan for the day?
Norway.
Norway. We're releasing Norway.
And 2020.
And 2020. Alright.
Pretty much consume my day.
Let's bring it on. Probably by the time this vlog goes live, they'll both be live. So you lot can book.
By the time this vlog goes live, we will have posted our first Norway escape.
That's not true, because I'm going to edit this one, so it's going to be out on time. Are you working on anything else?
Not today.
Not today. Sweet. Enjoy a coffee. And my priority today is Kickstarter. It's Kickstarter for my Mantra Active, but that's for another vlog. I'm gonna get on with work now because I've got so much to do. Kickstarter's going live in a couple of weeks. By the time this vlog goes out, it will probably be live. But yeah, if it's there, give us some support. That's a very concentrated face.
It is.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at different ways to break up with your long-term partner.
Anyway, how's that penthouse looking in Norway?
It's looking alright.
Yeah?
I prefer one of the other ones.
Well, we're left with what we're left.
I'm gonna have words. I feel like another one might come available, that's all.
Why?
I don't know, people cancel. I just like the look of, where is it? Hampson.
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 Can I see?
Wait.
So basically, we decided to celebrate New Year's Eve in Norway this year. And we thought, why not bring a bunch of people with us? So we basically booked a penthouse, but the last penthouse available is not the best one. So we're trying to get hold of another one. Here we go.
This one's nicer.
Oh la la.
Wait, let me show you. See, look, it's a better seating area, isn't it?
Yeah, it's more kind of like you can get more
Open.
people around it.
Bigger
and
dining area as well.
The other one looks a bit claustrophobic. Oh, look at that.
Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna have words. I'm gonna tell him to kick them other people out.
All right.
No, I haven't. It's just unacceptable. He wants my money.
Yeah.
Alexander, I'm talking
Yeah.
to you. You want my money? Give me that penthouse.
I'll send him a link to this vlog.
Give it to me.
I think it's time for a coffee. So are you saying their Americanos are good? Are you okay? Are you sure?
Yeah, the Americano's good.
Yeah? Alright, I'll get some. Alright, so it's time for lunch. We're off to this Italian place. Italian, French, Italian. And basically it's really good food, really fast, really fresh. I don't remember the name of it, but let's go and check it out.
I didn't really understand how you were planning to
Alright, so are you serious? And I'm with you. So we were talking about how cool it is that I don't know how to explain this. Do you want to explain this?
Don't want to explain what we were just talking about?
Yeah.
I can. Essentially we were talking about the importance of progression and the importance of taking chances that at the time you don't know whether are really going to help you progress with your own career or whatever.
But also taking chances and cutting your having a pay cut.
Pretty much, yeah. It's about making kind of long-term decisions based on your own progression. So for example, New Horizon for us, when we first decided to leave and do the whole New Horizon thing, I was currently in talks with a recruitment agent. And he was finding me jobs, or he was finding me interviews to do. And he had a couple of good ones lined up. And I actually turned around in the end and said, actually I need to cancel those interviews because I've decided to do this, which was New Horizon. And his response was, you have to be aware that by leaving the industry, you're well wonky there, love.
No, I'm not. I'm looking at the camera.
Alright. His response was, you have to be aware that by leaving the industry for the rest of this year or whatever, you're significantly reducing your chances of finding something when you come back. My response was, what makes you think I'm coming back? But that being said, we were just having a conversation about this and how if I mean, we've been doing this now 2.5 years. In that 2.5 years, I reckon I've developed the skills to essentially leapfrog past my old career, walk into a higher paying, more responsible role and fucking own it. Running your own business, and a business like this that involves a lot of time and effort and stress and travel and, you know, organizing people, getting them from place to place and keeping them all safe and things like that, as well as doing your own accounts and doing your own scheduling and just every aspect of the business, essentially, forecasting. I'm sorry, but I can literally walk into any job right now and just be like, yeah, what you got for me?
Give me a spot.
What you got for me? But yeah, I mean, within reason, of course. Like,
but you also have...
I'm just talking about like standard management jobs. I couldn't go back and be like a banker or a lawyer.
No,
obviously.
of course not. Within reason.
Yeah, but going back into a similar role that I used to be in, it could be fun to just try it. Like, just take a year out and go back and be normal. It could be fun. Make some fucking bonuses. Bonuses used to be good, you know?
But now you make your own bonuses.
Now I make my own bonuses, which I spend on holidays.
There you go. Well done, babe. Where are you heading? Opportunity?
Yeah,
is it a business opportunity?
What's the time right now?
It is 3:30.
So yeah, this is some sort of looks.
I think it's called the chocolate hour.
Oh, it's it.
Whoa.
Hello, it's really good. You have to put that on it. Oh, beautiful. Don't forget your chocolate fondue. Beautiful. Stunning. Okay, you're not done yet, no? Wonderful. Now what?
To finish off the new Alright, this is it. My working day is done. I'm gonna go now and release Louise and take Malia, and that's it. I'm gonna spend the day with her. Adam is gonna continue working for a little bit longer so he can release the schedule, but other than that, I'm just gonna go and enjoy ourselves, buy some fruit, and probably go to the beach and watch the sunset and swim. Wow! What have you done? Where's the duck? Quack, 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 quack. I'm gonna catch you! I'm gonna catch you! Malia! Oi, where are you going? Where are you going? Malia! Malia! Ew! Oi! Little bum bum. Did you have fun today? What did you do? Did you go to the playground? Yeah? Did you go down the big slide? Yay! Did you play with lots of colorful balls? And did you make lots of new friends? Yes? Malia? Malia, give mommy high five. Give mommy high five. Good girl. Fist pump. That's my girl. Ready? Again? Ready? This kid is literally the best thing that's ever happened to me. The best. Just the best. Hi! Oh, she just fills my life with so much positivity, so much love, so much positive energy. Yeah, that's you. Where are your eyes? Let me see your eyes. Malia? Let's test her language. Malia currently speaks in 2 languages. Malia, when is waki? When is waki? Waki. When is nasu? Nasu. When is barba? Barba. When is capo? Capo. Good girl. When is obraje? She might not know that one. Obraje? I got it! Ready? Wow! You're so good at this game. Ready? Ah! Almost. Ready? Ready? Good girl! Right, so we're gonna head to the beach now. Actually, we're going to the play area first for about 20 minutes, and then the sun goes down, and we'll go and grab some food, and then that's about it for today. I'm not gonna vlog anymore because I just want to enjoy the rest of the evening. Squish! Squish! Go, 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 go! She's a big girl. She can climb her own stairs. She knows exactly what she's going for. Come on, get the gate, get the gate. Come on, get the gate. You can do it. You can do it, here. Good girl. And mummy? Yes! It's the play area. Closes in 30 minutes, so we'll go and squeeze 30 minutes of play.